Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautiful Natural Makeup. Today I'm showing you my Sunday dinner. Now in the plate I have some squash and sweet potato. So I cook the squash and then I bake the sweet potato into a file, put it in the oven and got it baked. So then I crush the sweet potato with the squash together. Over the other side, I have a piece of baked chicken that I put in the oven, and I just use some olive oil, and that's what I bake for my dinner. And the other side here, I have some string bean and okra. Now, I liked okra. Okra is something that I put in water and drink and all, or I will cook it. So this one, I just cook it with a little bit of salt, no butter, and it also the string bean have no salt or no butter on it. The other side here for salad, I have avocado, I have English cucumber, tomato, and lettuce. So this is what I'm going to eat for my Sunday dinner. You guys take a good look at it. This is my meal for Sunday. So I am trying to have a more healthier meal because I am diabetic. I'm trying to eat more healthier. So this is what I prepare for my dinner for today, Sunday. I haven't have any rice in my plate, which I don't need. I think this is really something that I am going to enjoy. So you can see look how delicious it is, you guys, and how yummy it is. So I want to say thank you so much, you guys, for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Also turn on notification bell that when I upload a video, you can be notified. I want to say God bless you. Have a great Sunday, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao.